Hello iPhone users, to explore the feature of iMessages to send different thing which you can draw right away, you have to open the iMessages, go to any chat and you get option of plus sign, right, where you can tap on more. After that the options are there, and as you tap on more you get option of digital touch. You tap there and you get this on the lower part of your screen. This is a plain space where you can draw anything. You can choose the colors, so red, blue, yellow, orange, green, purple, pink and white. I am drawing a heart here with color that is yellow, and this is a random thing, and you tap on the arrow that is showing upwards, right, and you see what it is going to be like. So it is going to draw the whole thing that you have drawn, and this can be sent to a person who has an iPhone. So this is not an iPhone user, so it is showing not delivered, but yes, this is an amazing thing which you can draw, and the whole drawing, the process of drawing is clearly visible. It's a new thing that is not there in any other app or something. If it is, then just comment down and I'm gonna show you more feature of this thing in the next video. So see you later. Tada.